Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan? Welcome back to my channel. Glad to have you here today. Today I'll be doing for you another so good menu. But before I go into that and tell you what I'll be making for you, I want to welcome my new subscribers and my old subscribers. You are welcome. Now today I'll be making for you a fish wrap, a vegetable fish wrap. And I have some ingredients that I will be working with. In this tray, I have 6 pieces of Pangarius filet, and I will be seasoning my filet with some salt and black pepper. The reason why I am seasoning it with just salt and black pepper is because I am going to mix a base to fry my fish, and we don't want to send up any blood pressure around here, so we are cutting down on the seasoning. So in this bowl I have 4 tablespoons of flour. I also have 2 teaspoons of paprika. I have 2 teaspoons of fish seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. I have garlic. I have salt. I have black pepper. I have chili flakes, and I also have 1 egg. Yes, you need egg because we want our fish to be crunchy, so you're going to add egg. You could add 2 eggs, but I chose to add 1 egg. You also need about half cup water to mix out your ingredients. After I finish, I am going to use a whip to whip it, and to ensure that all the lumps from the flour and the seasoning is properly mixed out. Now, if you want it to be extra crunchy, you could add some cola, or some Sprite. But we don't want to add any cola or any Sprite to this. We just want to keep it simple and nice. We don't want to overpower the fish with too much salt or too much seasoning, so you know the thing go. We're thinking about those with the high blood pressure. And so guys, I have whip it and I've whip it and I've whop it, and now it is finished, and I got out all the lumps. And there I have also 5 tablespoons of flour. Yes, you're gonna need some flour to fry the fish. So I just sprinkle a little black pepper because you know the thing go. I want it to be a little spicy. And now I'm dipping my fish into the base that I have made with the flour. And now I'm going to dip it into dip it into the flour, and then I'm going to ensure that I've shake off all the excess flour before I put it into the oil. Now you want to put your pot on the stove and let it heat. Here in this pot I have about 1 cup oil. Depending on the amount of fish you're frying, you can use 2 cups oil, but here I just have 1 cup of oil. And this is what my fish look like, and I'm turning it around and I'm turning it on, and it looks so delicious. And I don't know, but this fish is going to be a so good bomb diggy 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 bomb menu. Like I said, you want to ensure that your oil is properly heated, because if your oil is not heated properly, then you're going to have scrambled fish, and we're not cooking any scrambled fish around here. After guys, I am finished, and this is what my fish looks like. The frying process is finished, and now this is my tortillas wrap, and I'm just going to place it in the oven for 2 minutes for it to be heated and have a little crunch. Now I'm going to move on to my vegetable, and I will be chopping my lettuce, and I will be cutting it, and I will be chopping it, and I will be cutting it, chopping it, cutting it, chopping it, and then after I'm finished dicing, cutting, chopping, whatever you want to call it, my lettuce, then I am going to show you what else I will be doing with this amazing salad that I am making. So guys, and now I will be cutting the lettuce again, and I'm threading and I'm cutting and I'm finished with the lettuce, and now I'll be moving over to the corn. The reason why I'm using the corn and the cob is because I don't have any canned corn. So whatever you have at home, work with it. And so I am going to dice it, and I'm gonna cut it, and I'm gonna show you how I dice it and let it look good for you. Okay, and so I am cutting my corn in small pieces because, like I said, I did not have any canned corn, so I'm working with whatever I have at home. Then the next thing that I am going to move on to, I am going to do my cucumber. I am going to cut, slice, dice, chop, mince, whichever way you want to call it, or whichever way how you want to put it. That's what I will be doing next. And here I have my cucumber. Like I said, I'm going to cut, slice, chop. I don't know how you want to put it, but that's what we're going to do. Okay. And next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move on to my carrot. And I will be shredding my carrot. I don't know if you want to shred it, cook it, dice it, whatever you want to do. Make sure you shred it. Okay. Yeah. And then I am going to move over to my tomato. You could have cherry tomato, or you can use the salad. All you do, you cut it in small pieces, or you want to cut it in big pieces. It doesn't matter, as long as you do it as how you want to do it, as long as you're making this so good salad. Okay, after finish putting in my tomato, then I am going to add my garlic yogurt sauce, and this sauce is the bomb diggy 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 bomb sauce. You can get this sauce at Real, or you can get this sauce at Riva. Yeah, and it's very cheap, it's very economical, so you don't have to worry about the price. Now I finished with making my salad, and now I am going to make the fish wrap. And from the looks of my fish, it is looking crunchy, it is looking so good. Yeah, and now I'm placing in my vegetable, and after I place in my salad, then I am going to add some cheddar cheese. I don't have a lot of cheddar cheese, so I'm just working with the little that I have. You know, little is much when you take your hand and turn and make fashion. And then I'm gonna wrap this so good salad for you, and you're gonna see what it looks like when I finish wrapping it for you. And like I said, guys, this is the bomb diggy bomb salad. I hope fish wrap. I hope you will try this at home. And I'm making another one, making another one, making another one. Hey! So guys, I hope you enjoy what I did for you in the kitchen today. Hope you will try this menu at home. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and share it also. This is what my final dish looks like, with some french fry, pickles, mayonnaise, and ketchup. And this is my so good bomb diggy bomb fish salad wrap. Yes guys, so until next time, I will say take care of yourself, walk good, choose peace. You know this girl is out. Bye guys.